All right, we're going to look at function values. So we're given f of x, g of x, h of x. I want you to pretend each one of them just said y, but the difference between them, f, g, and h, they're different letters because they're three different functions. So all the way in the front, we see an f. That means the only problem I care about, the only thing I want to keep my eyes on is just this f problem. Okay, so I have an x. Every function, it's always going to be f of the variable that you're using. So f of x, this x now turned to a 2. What that now means is everywhere you see x in that problem, I want to substitute a 2 in place. So I'm a 2 there, a 2 there. Now, how do I know I put a 2 there? Because that's what it's telling us in the very beginning. So let's rewrite 5 times x, but instead of x, I'm going to put a 2. And you're done. Basically, what this is saying, or what we're asked to do here is find y when x equals 2. If I told you x was 2, that's what we plugged in. What did we get out as an answer for y? 10. So that's basically how you understand, I guess, reading functions. So now I want to look at the g function. I'm looking at this middle problem. Inside parentheses, I have an x, so that means everything where an x is, that's going to get changed, and it's going to get changed to a -4. So I'm going to put a -4 there and there. So 3 times -4 plus 1. But what about that 3 right there? Well, basically what we're doing is we're going to, same thing that we did over here, and kind of ignore that 3, and we're just going to kind of throw it at the very end and take care of it at the end. So let's add and subtract and multiply and all that stuff. So -12 plus 1 plus 3, -11 plus 3, giving us -8. And then bring down your function. Done. You get -8 as an answer. Same thing happens when you have multiplication to something. So inside parentheses, we have a -3. Everywhere you see the x, we're going to replace it with a -3. So there and there. So -3 squared plus 2. And now we still have this 2 out here. I got to bring it in. So what I'm going to do is put another set of parentheses or just brackets to kind of showcase that they're different and put that 2 out front. We're going to multiply by that 2 at the end. So -3 times -3 gives us +9 plus 2. That gives us 11. And remember, these brackets are just like parentheses. So 2 times 11 is 22. We need 2 times h of -3. And that is finding function values.